Good morning, everyone. This is C7, the HOA Homesteader. Today I got plans to get with the bees, so I'm gonna go get my equipment set up, everything I need out there. Just change out the one beehive where the bottom box is kind of like starting to come apart. So it's been a while. I think, yeah, it's been a while since I've been in the hives. Late October, early November. So it's time to go in there, see how they looking. I know that they're producing, because every afternoon, you know, when the ones that hatch come out and do the swirling around, getting their GPS, so to speak, bearings on the hives, they're doing that every day. So pretty sure the queen is still in there laying eggs and all that. I just don't know how many bees in there. It's just time for another box. I'd like to thank you guys in advance for visiting the channel. If you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to get notified when I release videos. Hit that like button. And don't forget to leave comments, guys. Let's get some interaction going. If it's any overcrowding, then I'm gonna go ahead and early and add that additional medium box today. So both highs are only 2 boxes high right now. And if it looks like it's a lot of bees, I'm gonna go ahead and put a 3rd box on there already. So, and I'll see you guys when I get out there near the hives. All right, guys, I think I'm ready. Got my equipment set up. Got the nervous jitters. You know, after it's been a couple of months and it's your first time going back in, hey, them nerves go up a little bit, but I've been putting this off too long. It's time to go in and at least see what they're doing and provide any help I can to them so they'll have a strong spring and hopefully don't swarm off on me and all that other good stuff that comes along with taking care of bees. Let's get to it. I'm gonna build a whole nother box over there, starting with this screen bottom board. It's so hot down here that hopefully they won't do as much beard and they'll be able to get a lot more circulation in the hive with this. Some people swear by it, so I want to try it out. Okay, the plan is just gonna switch the contents of in that bottom box over to this one. I'm gonna still use that medium and stack it on top when I'm done with the inspection. Okay, that whole top super is full of honey, but it's early in the season, so I'm not taking any honey away. But they look like they got plenty of food. Okay, people, I think that's it for today. They're not really agitated, but they are in a new home. There's so many of them still out. My nerves is high. I'm gonna let them get settled in. Let the ones that's still trying to hang around the old box move over. Kind of like if you was catching a swarm. And then either I'm gonna work on this hive later today or later on in the week. But with that said, I'm back on the patio. This inspection is over. What I did see is a lot of bees in there. And I saw some of the bees that they already for whatever reason, I think the other bees dug them out of their cells because they were all still white. I've never seen that before. Guys, any of you guys out there know what that means? Leave a comment. And I think they're looking pretty healthy and doing pretty good. So after they calm down, hopefully before the week is in, I'm really serious. That one that I just suspected, I think I need to just go ahead and add the other super to it. And maybe I might even pull some frames, like pull 3 or 4 frames and still add a super. Something has to be done because they're full up in there. Maybe if I just only pull the frames and just replace them with empty frames, the queen will have more room to do some more stuff. But mostly that whole top, it was all honey. So where they getting it from or whatever and how they doing it is beyond me. But those frames were heavy and they were practically full. And when I got down to the bottom box, you know, the deep box, those frames was light as a feather. None of them looked like the frames was bad or falling apart, so I just simply moved them from one box to the next box, placed the other box on top. If you guys enjoyed the contents of my video, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to get my videos as they release. And once again, don't forget to leave comments. Let's go along this journey together. You guys have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader. And you know what the motto is around here? Just because you may live in a HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or possibly take care of bees. All right, guys, with that said, I'm out of here, and thanks again, and I'll see you when the next video drops.